Hi, this is Wayne from INKISH, and we're at the print show at the NEC in Birmingham. I have the privilege to talk to Bettine from Picon, CEO at Picon. I do apologise.
That's quite
Bettine,
right.
great to see you.
And you too. It's been a long time.
It has been a long time, and another trade show. So here we are.
Absolutely. Well, you know me, I love trade shows.
Well, yeah, I mean, I remember back in the day of using the Picon booth at drupa,
Yep.
and I've been to China Print
Yep.
with you.
Yep.
So obviously live trade shows are a big thing for Picon. Why do you see it that way?
I think it's the fact that people do business with people, you know, and I know there have been great advances in Zoom and Teams and all of these sorts of things, and they're all great.
Yeah.
But just like today, I have bumped into so many people.
Yeah.
Some of them I only see once a year at
Yeah.
a show. But I just think it's so important. And this is really why we have the stand here,
Yeah.
is for our members to use, grab a cup of coffee, grab a beer, bring a customer or a prospect.
Yeah.
And we've had conversations already on the stand about young people in print.
Yes.
And various other things. So that's the reason why.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah. We've done about 10 interviews this morning, and they've all been with my friends. It's like it just surprises you how many people you know when you've been in the business as long as we have. So give us a little bit of a background with Picon. What does Picon stand for, and what's Picon's role in the industry?
Okay. So Picon is the Printing Industry Confederation, and so we are a trade association that represents manufacturers and suppliers of equipment used in the industry.
Right.
So we cover what I really like to think is the whole sort of process from pre-press to press to post-press.
Right.
Some of our members are also involved in software and also consumables. So so that's what. So we don't represent the printers. There are other trade associations that do that, and we work very closely with people like the BPIF and IPIA, as I think you know. So that's who Picon is. So we've been around since 1918 and have always put together what I hope is a good package of membership benefits for our members.
Okay.
I think one of the big things that members come back to us is they really appreciate the networking events. So we have social things, we have golf days, we have specific meetings, we organise seminars. You have, absolutely. So that's one of the things, but also with the changes in things like regulations at the moment, we are also the employment bill that's just about to go through. There's an awful lot of changes for our members to go through. So I like to think I don't know all the answers, but I like to think that they can come to us and we can then go, I think you should, you'll get more information if you go down this way. So,
am I right in saying that you have different committees that look at different aspects of the business?
We do. We don't actually call them committees. We have some focus groups.
Okay.
But so we have the digital focus group. We have an exporters. We have an importers.
Right.
We also have a small group that are suppliers to the paper industry. So they also have meetings. So there's a lot of commonality amongst those.
Right.
But there are things that are just specific. Obviously, exporters. Possibly talking about tariffs or documentation or something.
I bet that's a big topic at the moment.
Absolutely, yes.
So I mean, I know that you do a lot of lobbying with government. I mean, with regards to tariffs, is that something that Picon will battle against?
We tend to do. We don't actually lobby on our own. We tend to do it in collaboration with, for instance, the BPIF.
Right. Okay.
So we've done various things in the past about regulations that have and certain chemicals that are being used in the print industry that they wanted to reclassify, things like that. So, but the problem at the moment is who knows what's going to happen with tariffs. 1 minute they're up, 1 minute they're down. So.
I've heard today he's telling pregnant women that paracetamols are.
I know.
Who knows?
Who knows?
As ever, Bettine, it's really lovely to see you. And I'm sure we'll see you again at another trade show, or maybe even one of your golf events. Don't forget me.
I won't.